Hi Damien, how are you?
Green, how do you do?
Shall we discuss on verbs today?
Certainly, we will.
We will start with a question on the importance of verb in a sentence.
Yes, that is a good point to begin. I will tell, it is like soul in our body. Without soul we are nothing. Similarly, a sentence cannot exist without a verb.
Another important question, Damien, what is a verb?
Yes, Green. Let me try. A verb is a word that indicates an action. Or in other words, it is an action word.
Therefore, the role of verb in a sentence is to represent an action done.
Is that the only use of the verb?
It is the most widely played role of a verb in a sentence. But the verb has two more functions. It is used to express existence and possession as well.
Green, I will give some examples. I play cricket. In this sentence, verb play indicates an action done by the subject I. The next sentence that I would like to give as an example is I am a doctor. Here the verb am is used to express a state or an existence. To prove the third point, the example sentence that I would like to tell is I have a car. Here the verb have is used to express possession.
In our previous discussions, we talked about the different forms of helping verbs. Similarly, each and every main verb also has different forms. Example, let us analyze the verb eat.
Sure, Green. I will tell the different forms for the verb eat. They are eat, eats, ate, eaten, eating. The first two forms eat, eats, are present tense. The third one ate is past tense form. Fourth one eaten is past participle. And the final one eating is ing form or present participle form.
These forms along with the helping verbs are going to decide the tense. Hence this basic idea about verb forms are essential before entering into tenses. Am I right, Damien?
Absolutely, Green. In present form we have two forms. As discussed, Nearly eats is singular and eat is plural.
In past tense, ate is for both singular and plural subjects.
The forms eaten and eating cannot stand alone. It needs the help of auxiliary verbs. For example, eating will go with be verbs and become am eating, is eating, are eating, was eating and were eating. This helps in creating continuous tenses.
Similarly, the past participle form eaten needs the help of have verb. It goes with have and become has eaten, have eaten or had eaten. This helps in framing perfect tenses. Can you tell other forms for the verb call?
Surely, Green. They are call, calls, called, called, calling.
Most of the verbs can be converted into their past tense form by simply adding ed to the basic form of the verb as ed is added to call, and the past tense form called is formed.
Such type of verbs we call them as regular verbs.
While in the first example eat, the past tense form is different. We have another word ate for the past tense form. We call such type of verbs as irregular verbs. Can you tell few examples for regular verbs now?
Sure, Green. Talk, talked, check, checked, ask, asked, thank, thanked, walk, walked, work, worked, and so on.
Damien, can you tell few examples for irregular verbs now?
With pleasure, I will tell Green. Write, wrote, catch, caught, teach, taught, make, made, sit, sat, and so on.
That is great, Damien.
Thank you, Green.
Time up. We will meet again later.
Bye, Green.
Do you want more of such stuff? Then like, share, comment and subscribe.